Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is William Prakoso, and in this video, I will explain about smart chicken farm monitoring system from Interface Practicum. This is these are our project. And in the abstract, in the development of 4.0 technology, we can use digitalization in every aspect, such as farm, house, and etc. In chicken farm, where we have to monitoring the temperature, humidity, and etc. We also have to turn on the lamp in order to secure our farm from anything that can danger our farm. So to achieve these things, we need a circuit which includes Arduino, DH11, LDR sensor, LED, and fan DC, and MQ sensor, and flame sensor, and buzzer. And then background, chicken farm is a farm where you have to consider the temperature, humidity, and anything, etc. We have to keep the temperature consistent in order to produce a good result. And also we have to keep our farm from danger when it's not in our guard. So because of that, we need microcontroller that can control some stuff. In this project is a representation of small scale of automatic smart chicken farm. This project is using Arduino Uno, which have many digital and analog pins, and the HD11 is used to detect the temperature and humidity. The LED sensor in this project is used to turn on and turn off the LED automatically. And then there are flame and gas sensor which used to detect the fire, and sounder is used like an alarm to alert something if there is a fire. And then the tools and equipment that we need in this project, first is Arduino. This Arduino is used to a microcontroller to control the sensor and actuator. And then the second is the ST11. The ST11 in here is used to measure the temperature and humidity. And then fan DC in this circuit is used to control the temperature normal if it's too hot. And then the fourth sensor is LDR sensor. LDR sensor in here is used to turn on and turn off LED automatically. And then LED in here, and then the resistor to resist the current to LED. And then flame sensor in here is used to detect the fire. And then MK2 sensor in here is used to detect the smoke. And then buzzer in here is used to alert if there is a fire. And then the circuit design, it will be like this. This is actually not the final design. Final design was in the demo video. The three LED is connecting to the pin A2 and 12 and 11. And then the three fan in here. The first fan in here is used to air purifier, and then the third fan in here is used as a normal fan. And then there is a LDR in here. Is in the real world, LDR in here is placed in the outside of the cage, so as a lamp, so it can turn off the lamp automatically when in the night and in the light. And then there is flame sensor and MK2 sensor. This is to detecting the fire and the smoke. And then this is the LED in here. It will be on if we put the one valve in here and one valve in here, and also sounder in here will be on. So the flowchart it will be like this. If the ST11 detecting the degree around 22 and then less than 25, the temperature is normal. If the value is more than 26, it means too hot and alpha will be on. And then if value is less and equal than 21, it means too cold and then alpha will be off. And then there is flame sensor like this, and then the LDR sensor it will be like this. And then this is the script. We determine our pin first, and then in here there is pin mode output, and then this is the screenshot result. It will be like this. This is when the temperature was too hot, so only one LED will be on and 3 fan will be on. And then this is the when LDR not detecting the light, so the all of LED will be on, and then it will be displayed in the virtual monitor. This is inside the cage. It will be like this, temperature 40 degrees, and then LDR angle it will be displayed like this. It's dark outside and the lights are on, and then this is the MK flame sensor when detecting the fire, and then MK2 sensor when detecting gas. The LED, both LED will be on, and then it will be displayed that there is a fire, and then the sounder also will be on. Okay, and then we move to the video demo. So this is when the temperature is normal, so LED will be on and 2 fan will be on, and then this is when the LED are not detecting the light. This is LDR when detecting the light, so the LED will be off. So the flame sensor and MK2 sensor will be detecting the fire, so LED will be on. So this is when the temperature is too hot. It will be displayed like this. All of 3 fan will be on and only one LED will be on. This is LDR still detecting the light, and then when this is the flame sensor and MK2 sensor not detecting the fire and the smoke. Okay, and this is when temperature was 17 degrees, so means too cold. 3 LED will be on, and only one fan in here as an air purifier will be on. So this is when it's too cold and there is fire and something like that. So maybe that's all the video demo about my group and about our project. If there is any mistake, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.